Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Arpana. I welcome you all to this live session. So, I'm a homeopathic consultant, and in this channel, we talk about the different medications, the different medical conditions, and how can the homeopathic medicines help you. So, those who are new to my channel, I do have a YouTube channel in Hindi, and so I have started this English channel new for all my viewers and all my subscribers who wish to get the videos in English as well. So, friends, today we will be discussing about the homeopathic approach to the autoimmune diseases. Now, we'll be briefly discussing about the autoimmune diseases, like why somebody is landing in the autoimmune diseases, why is somebody getting affected by the autoimmune diseases, and then like how can homeopathic medicines help, or what exactly are the causes of the autoimmune diseases. So we will try to discuss about all this briefly. Now, if you are new to my channel, so before watching the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and of course hit on the bell icon so that you do not miss any information that I share with you all through this channel. Also, if you wish to ask any questions, you can do so. For that, you need to be a subscriber of my channel. And once you subscribe to the channel, you have access to the live consultations and you can ask your questions live through the live chatting. All right, and if you wish to book an appointment with me, then you need to go to my website. My website is drarpana.com, drarpana.com. So you need to type this, and then my website will open in front of you, and you can very easily book your appointment, and we can meet in the consultation and we can discuss your case. All right, there are other information also. It is given in the description box, so you can go to the description box and check out all the other relevant information. All right, so let's start with today's topic. So today we will be discussing about the autoimmune diseases and what is the approach of homeopathy towards it, or like how homeopathy can help you. So to understand this, first of all, let us understand like what exactly do we mean by an autoimmune disease. So autoimmune means when your own immune system, which by default should protect your body, that becomes like that starts attacking your own healthy cells of your body. So your cells are getting attacked by your own immune system, which should protect you by default, but now it is attacking your own cells. That is the reason we call it. It is autoimmune. It is idiopathic. We do not know why it is happening, but it is autoimmunity. So nowadays we see that the list of autoimmune diseases, it is increasing, and also the number of patients of autoimmunity, they are also increasing. So now, who should be blamed for the autoimmune diseases? See, to understand this, we must understand that for everything there is a cause and there is a result of it, there is an outcome of it. So in homeopathy, we'll consider that the autoimmune diseases, they are actually the result of prolonged suppression, prolonged grief, and that is resulting, or that is manifesting in the body in the form of the physical symptoms or the autoimmune conditions. So, for example, consider that there are five different people and they have been, or they are undergoing some stressful situation. There is something in the environment or in their workplace, in their family, which is not very favorable. Now, all the five-person, they may react in a different way to the given situation, right? One may try to adapt, the other may try to, or the other may feel that the person is getting suppressed. There can be suppression, there can be violence. So there can be different manifestation to the same predisposing factors or the same stimulus. So now the experience of the person will decide the outcome of any autoimmune diseases. So basically, the autoimmune diseases, they are originating because of some amount of suppression, some history of anxiety, grief. So all this in years may progress or may develop in some physical manifestations or in the form of autoimmune diseases. So in homeopathy, we give a lot of importance to the, like, to in the understanding of the disease. So whenever a patient of autoimmunity is coming to us, we'll always try to find out like what were the circumstances after which the person is having this autoimmune condition in the body. Most of the time, there will be some history of grief, suppression of emotions, which is manifesting itself in the physical body. Also, the mental health plays a great role in the autoimmune diseases. So, like if you do not feel good, then what is happening? That not feeling good inside your body is also like making your cells against you or making your immune system work against you. So all these emotions, the experiences, they can manifest themselves in the form of diseases or the so-called autoimmune diseases. We have seen a like increase in the number of autoimmune diseases, and that is because of the maybe the lifestyle, the environmental stress, the kind of life that we are leading these days. So they are all resulting in the form of the autoimmunity. So, if we particularly talk of the female, then we can see a large increase in the number of SLE, that is the systemic lupus erythematosus, and a number of female they are suffering from the same condition. And when we try to go deep into the case or probe the case, most of the time it is the suppression of the emotions, the suppression of like it is like you are trying to fill something and then a saturation point will come. After that it will just burst. So after the saturation point, the emotions, the experiences, they are taking the form of various kind of diseases. So if we talk about the like autoimmune diseases, so we have so many autoimmune diseases these days. So like I mentioned, lupus or the SLE, systemic lupus erythematosus. We have multiple sclerosis in which the immune system is damaging the nerve cells. We have GBS, Guillain-Barré syndrome. Again, that is also a kind of autoimmunity where the nerve cells are getting damaged. Now, there can be CIPD, which is chronic inflammatory. CIPD is chronic inflammatory polyneuritis. So what is happening in CIPD? So again, the nerve cells, they are getting attacked, and the symptoms that we are getting, that is prolonged or they are chronic in nature. So we can see the autoimmune condition in the digestive system, that is the IBS, which is the irritable bowel syndrome, or the ulcerative colitis, or celiac disease. We can see diabetes, especially the type 1 diabetes, in which the pancreas, they are producing less insulin or no insulin at all. So all these autoimmune diseases in which we can see that our own immunity is acting against our own body cells. So it largely shows that the suppressed desire, the suppressed emotion, the fear, the grief, the anxiety, the depression, the long lasting prolonged grief or the brooding inside is manifesting itself in the various diseased conditions. When we talk about the role and scope of homeopathic medicines, so in homeopathy, we will be taking up the case in totality, and from the causation of the autoimmune diseases, we will be giving the medicines which can help. Definitely, along with the medicines, like the holistic approach, which includes a proper diet, meditation, doing some yoga, doing some exercises, they will also help in the speedy recovery of the patient. So that is all about the autoimmunity or the autoimmune diseases and the role and scope or the perspective of the homeopathic medicines. So I will be making the videos on the autoimmune diseases also separately. So you do let me know in the comment section like what all medical conditions you would like me to cover in this channel. So I will be definitely doing that for you all. And once again, thank you in advance for sharing the video. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe and do not forget to hit on the bell icon. So that is all for today. Have a wonderful and nice day ahead. Always remember, when a healthy mind and a healthy body resides together, diseases disappear. Thank you so much for watching.